Today, I'm gonna use Bloomstay Vitalizing Eye Cream. Here it is. I love this pinkish color. And the subtle scent of plum blossom is really nice too. Bloomstay Vitalizing Eye Cream will get my eyes more vitalized and resilient than ever. Now, I'm gonna show you how to apply it. First, rub your hands together to warm up the eye area. Let's put this eye cream on face. Apply the eye cream in a circular motion. This bouncy gel texture transforms into sherbet while you're rolling it. I love this cool feeling. Now, gently press around your eyes, going in order along each of 7 spots under your eyes. Next, I'll use the cooling eye massager, which really helps reduce swelling and dark circles under your eyes. Pressing between your eyebrows, draw a large figure 8 starting from the left side. Next, work from the inside out, like you're wiping traces of fatigue right off your face. Slowly massage your temples in a circular motion to finish. As long as you have Bloomstay Vitalizing Eye Cream, you're saying goodbye to your dull, tired eyes.